So, what do you two got to say? Huh? Well, come on then, say something. Not a word, huh? Not a word. Well, you usually have something to say. Bluesy, what? What are you guys doing? How was your day so far, huh? Blue? Speak up, dude. Speak up. There you go. That's better. Ah. What do you got to say? Come on. You're so funny. You're so funny. Aw, Peach, you're just a sweetheart, aren't you? Just a little sweetheart. These two are so sweet. They just come over and give Daddy hugs. Right now, they just want to hang. Yep. Hey. All right, then. See you later.